Hello, my name is David Carr. Today I'm going to talk about comparable market analysis. If you're buying or selling a house, you're going to have to know the value of the property that you're considering. If you're selling, you need to know what the values are in the neighborhood, what other people have been paying, so you can come up with a reasonable price and support your value. This is something I'm going to help you do, is identify the value parts of your property. And if you're buying a house, you need to know how much to pay. Ultimately, an appraiser is going to determine an appraised value. Realtors do what we call a comparative market value because we're not allowed to put a value on the property. The only people who put a price on a property is the buyer when they pay the money, or the appraiser by doing an appraisal. If we look at the map here, we can see this area of East Rock, which is right near Yale University, where we have a few houses for sale, and the red ones are recently sold, the yellow ones are pending. So this goes back 6 months. This is the value of property in East Rock, New Haven, Connecticut today. If we were to look at any of these properties, we'd be able to narrow them down with the subject to find what a comparable value is based on the condition, the square foot, the location, traffic count, a lot of different variables of each property. Doing a comparable market analysis takes a lot of skill, and it requires a high level of authenticity to my client because I need to present the best information. If I'm asking you to sell your house with me, if I was to leave out lower values or properties that may not be as attractive, I might be able to suggest a higher price, but that would not be in your best interest because your house wouldn't sell. The other things we have to talk about is the absorption rate of the properties in the area and the velocity of sales. All these things tell us about the intensity of the market and where your price needs to be to generate excitement. There's a lot of variables. I'd like to discuss them with you. Whether you're buying or selling, a comparable market analysis is an important part of the process, something I'm willing to work with you and help you understand. My name is David Carr, and I look forward to meeting you soon.